All right, guys, so a few months ago, we bought ourselves a 2004 Excursion. The only problem with that truck, guys, is that the truck was maroon. Guys, that maroon color, it might be nice, but that doesn't really go with our scheme. We like the blacked out look, that little murder look. So what we did is that we sent it out to go get painted. The good news is, guys, that truck is back. Here we go. Check this out, guys. Look at the difference, guys. The truck is coming along great. It still needs a little bit of touch-ups here and there, but you know what? Nothing major. The one thing that it does need, guys, is that the interior was completely jacked up. The leather was cracked in all three seats, the first row, second row, third row. It was just a mess. It was actually more foam than leather. So what we did is that we took out the seats already and we sent it to go get upholstered. Now, I want you to check this out, guys. The truck inside is a mess right now. But you know what? I think that when we get the truck back with the seats upholstered and everything, it's gonna be looking a lot nicer, especially because we went with this great color scheme. The color that it's gonna be matching this this dashboard and the accents on the doors. So as you could see, it's pretty much of a mess. But you know what? Today's the day. We already sent out. The gentleman's gonna come in. He's gonna do the steam cleaning on the entire vehicle. Get it ready for those seats, guys. So let's get this going. Okay, guys, so Mr. Eric just arrived. He's going to go and get started. He does great work. We're going to put a number in the description. Mr. Eric, what's going on, buddy?
I'm here pretty good.
Hey, hope I'm not in the way too much. I'm going to try to help you as much as I can. Good to go? All right, let's get going, man. And looks like they had a whole bunch of mess in the vehicle. And, you know, it was weird because when I got it, I thought that the vehicle was going to be completely the carpet, but you say that it's something that you think you could handle.
Yeah. This here, just in case you need them, you know.
Okay. Now, guys, just to let you know, I learned a little while ago that Mr. Eric, he's part of the 7.3 family. What do you got there, Eric?
1999 F250 7.3.
And it's a crew cab.
Yeah, crew cab.
Crew cab, man. Those are nice, man. Do you want to sell it?
Nah.
No, all right, I tried. I tried.
Yeah. It's on 24s and 33s on tires. No, 35s on tires. Yeah.
All right, man. Yeah, that's cool. Hey, whenever you want, man, bring it over. We'll hook up the computer to it. We'll see what's going on with it and anything that we can do for you, man.
All right.
All right, brother. Mr. Eric, that's very impressive, brother. As always, man, you do a great job. Dude, check out that stain, man. You took that freaking huge stain that was on the floor. The console looks brand new. Brother, you do a great job, man. Look at the headliner. The headliner was all kinds of messed up. It had a bunch of like oil stains and finger stains and stuff like that. Man, you always do a great job, Eric. How was it, brother?
It was tiring, but
It was a big one, man.
yeah.
Hey, brother, you always do a great job. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put your number right there, right there on the description, so people can check it out, and they'll give you a call, man. Hey,
Okay.
if you guys need anything, talk to Mr. Eric. He's a nice guy, man. He comes in. It's awesome to have conversation with him. He does his job like hey, man, like nothing else. So, thanks a lot, Eric.
Thank you.
All right. All right, guys. So Mr. Eric is gone for the day. He's done. Guys, let's just go back one more time and look at this amazing job that he did. Guys, one of the things that we love about Mr. Eric is the attention to detail that he puts in every one of his jobs. Look at this. It was bad. This was super ugly. Not to mention here in the speaker area, it was totally all jacked up. We can't believe the great job that he did on the dashboard. Look at that. We were already thinking that, we might have to get a new dashboard or something like that. None of that here. But the most important and the most evident part that he did a great job is in the carpet. Right there, you could still see it. It's still a little bit wet. He said that when it dries off, that if he needs to, he'll come back and do another round with it. But you know what? Honestly, guys, I think that we're satisfied just with it, because compared to the stain that it had to what it looks now, it's still a little bit damp. And yeah, definitely, it's still damp. And he says that as it dries off, it should fade a bit. But he just did an amazing job, guys. Check out the entire vehicle. Man, we can't wait to get those seats back in. The color scheme, we hope it's going to work great. Guys, it's going to be a fun project, guys. We really love working on this truck. We hope you follow us. We hope you're there with us the entire step of the way. We can't wait to get this truck going. Guys, once again, thank you for support, and like and subscribe, guys.